Welcome to the best picks. The best Apetito Supresor is probably one of the most sought-after products for those looking to manage their weight and improve their eating habits. This video will dive deep into the world of appetite suppressants, exploring what makes a good one, examining various options available on the market, and ultimately helping you determine if an appetite suppressant is right for you and, if so, which one best suits your individual needs and preferences. We will analyze the effectiveness, safety, and potential side effects of different appetite suppressants, providing you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. LeanMode Weight Loss Pills. LeanMode is a comprehensive weight loss support system designed for both men and women. It combines powerful natural ingredients to help you achieve your weight goals safely and effectively. It's not just another weight loss supplement. This potent blend uses a unique 5-in-1 formula to target multiple aspects of weight management, including appetite and metabolism. Say goodbye to those pesky cravings and unwanted carbs. It helps control hunger and target stubborn belly fat, helping you achieve that lean figure you desire. Unlike other pills that focus on just one aspect, this product offers comprehensive support for metabolism, cravings, and fat loss, all in one convenient pill. It harnesses the power of nature with ingredients like Garcinia cambogia, green coffee bean extract, and CLA to help you maximize your fitness goals without sacrificing muscle. We use only the highest quality, third-party tested ingredients, made in CGMP facilities. We believe you deserve the best, and that's exactly what we deliver. What we like? It's a multi-purpose supplement that helps with appetite, metabolism, and fat loss. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to support your weight loss journey, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to target multiple aspects of weight management simultaneously. What people say. This is a great product to use to help with appetite control. It is an excellent stimulant-free weight loss supplement with no negative side effects. Have been taking LeanMode on and off for 8 years. Product works excellent but only with a good nutrition plan and a good mix of weight training and cardio. There are no side effects and has helped increase metabolism and expedite fat loss. It is an amazing appetite suppressant and I always see results after workout weeks. Number 4. Green coffee bean extract. It's designed to help you manage your weight, boost your metabolism, and increase your energy levels naturally. It's packed with chlorogenic acid to help regulate glucose and promote fat oxidation. Unlike regular caffeine, it provides clean, sustained energy without the jitters. It also helps improve mental clarity, focus, and alertness, making it a great natural alternative. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and support your immune system. It also helps promote healthy skin by preserving moisture and protecting against environmental damage. Take 1 to 2 capsules daily, preferably before meals. It's best used with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Always consult your doctor before use, especially if you're pregnant or nursing. It's manufactured in a GMP-compliant facility and rigorously tested for purity and potency. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and free from artificial additives, making it a great choice for your wellness journey. What we like? This supplement uses green coffee bean extract to support weight management and increase energy levels naturally. If you prefer a natural approach and want sustained energy without the jitters, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking a clean energy boost alongside their weight loss efforts. What people say. I have so much energy during the day now and I can actually focus. I don't have food noise anymore. Genuinely, I don't even think about eating anymore when I used to want to eat everything in sight. I feel strangely full throughout the entire day and just one small meal fuels me. This product has been a blessing. It has helped drastically with my hunger curbing and sweet cravings. It has also given me great amount of energy. I have noticed that my clothing is feeling a lot looser. I have lost 3 pounds so far and have been taking it a little over a month now. I've noticed fewer sugar cravings and improved energy levels. I hope to see improvements in my metabolism as well. It was priced well, shipped quickly, was packaged well and has no apparent taste or odor. Easy to use. Number 3. Bite Block Appetite Suppressant. It curbs your cravings and helps you lose weight. Key ingredients are scientifically proven to support weight loss by curbing appetite and hormonal cravings. It helps you say goodbye to carb-related worries. It uses glucomannan, a natural fiber that blocks carbohydrate absorption, preventing unwanted fat accumulation. It helps you achieve a flat tummy and a lean physique. It naturally detoxifies your digestive tract and relieves bloating, supporting glycemic regulation for better hormone balance. It ignites your fat-burning furnace. The thermogenic properties in caffeine work together to boost your metabolism, increase calorie burn, and accelerate weight loss. It supports your weight loss journey with a blend of plant-based ingredients. It's made with chromium, caffeine, and glucomannan, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility in the USA. What we like? This product helps curb cravings, block carbs, and relieve bloating. If you struggle with carb cravings and bloating, this could be your solution. It's particularly suitable for those who want to address these specific issues while losing weight. What people say. The pills are easy to swallow. Your stomach doesn't get upset when you swallow them, like other pills do. They have no taste and they don't make you feel tired. I've noticed a significant difference in my energy levels and appetite control. The capsules are easy to swallow and didn't upset my stomach. It has konjac root, glucomannan, which is a great dietary fiber usually made from the root of the konjac plant. It is thought to absorb water from the belly and turn it into a ball that comes out when you potty. Theobromine, green tea leaf, and guarana seed seem to be the source for caffeine. They contain about twice as much caffeine as coffee beans. Number 2. Jacked Factory Burn XT Max. Introducing Burn XT Max, the ultimate fat burner and appetite suppressant. It's designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals faster and more efficiently than ever before. This powerful formula is packed with clinically proven ingredients like acetyl L-carnitine, green tea extract, and ragulsine to boost your metabolism and energy levels. It also includes huperzine A, Percaf organic caffeine, and metoburn L-biba for optimal results. Burn XT Max features patented metoburn L-biba to improve energy production and metabolic function, enhancing fat burning and endurance. The Percaf organic caffeine provides a natural energy boost and increases your metabolic rate. It's a hard-hitting formula to energize you, boost your metabolism, and curb your appetite. These are all key factors in achieving a leaner, more defined physique. Remember, it's not a magic solution. Combined with the right diet and exercise plan, it can help you reach your fitness goals and burn fat while preserving muscle. It's manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility using premium, rigorously tested ingredients. You can trust that each bottle contains exactly what's on the label. What we like? It's a high-performance thermogenic fat burner with patented ingredients to boost your metabolism and curb your appetite. If you are looking for a powerful supplement with clinically studied ingredients to help you reach your fitness goals, this is a top contender. It's perfect for those who want to maximize their fat-burning potential. What people say. I lost 13 pounds in a month. That's really good. As you get older, your metabolism slows down. I had a hard time losing weight on my own. I took a chance on these pills and I will tell you I took Burn XT Max with Lean PM Max. I 3 pills Burn XT Max in the morning with a banana and Slim Fast. I took Lean PM Max 4 pills at night. I would run on the treadmill for 30 minutes 4 days a week. I ate very clean and light food. I did calorie counting. You have to eat clean and exercise for these to work, but my recommendation is definitely try these out. If you really want to lose weight, I'm gonna buy another bottle because they work so well. I lost 3 and off my waist, my face, and my stomach have gone down in fat. And I forgot to say that the appetite suppressant really works. Other diet pills I have taken after 2 weeks the appetite oppression stops working, but these appetite suppressant works very well. This is an honest review. I was actively searching for a supplement to aid in fat loss and weight loss, 2 very distinct goals that many overlook. I consistently took this supplement while adhering to a solid diet and incorporating plenty of cardio and weight training. In just 5 weeks, I went from 208 pounds with 28% body fat down to 185 pounds and 23% body fat. This supplement unequivocally works. It provided me with energy while suppressing my appetite. My weight loss in terms of inches is very noticeable in my lower belly, hips, thighs, and waist. I have not been to the gym use weights, but I have been working out from home and eating as healthy as possible. This product is a definite winner and I will purchase a second bottle very soon. Number 1. Youth and Tonic Dietary Discipline. Start your journey towards a healthier you with our mindful eating and cleanse support. It helps maintain balanced eating habits and promotes a lighter, more energized feeling. This supplement helps boost your metabolism and energy levels. It's formulated with ingredients to support your body's natural processes and help you break through plateaus. Experience a deep cleanse and renewed energy. It helps eliminate water weight and built-up waste, leaving you feeling less bloated and more active. Our nighttime cleanse gently promotes a lighter feeling and may help reduce bloating while you sleep. It's formulated with natural ingredients to support your body's natural detoxification process. These water pills help reduce water retention, leaving you feeling slimmer and more toned. They're formulated with natural diuretics to support fluid balance. With consistent use, it can help you achieve your weight management goals. Remember that results may vary, and it's always best to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. What we like. This 3-part system helps with detox, cleanse, and water weight loss. If you're looking to support your body's natural cleansing processes and eliminate excess water weight, this is a good choice. It's ideal for those who want to feel lighter and more energized while working towards their weight loss goals. What people say. Had this for a week while workout and eat clean. I lost 15 pounds. Felt and saw the results within the first 24 hours. You must eat well-rounded meals with this. I would suggest taking meat and dairy out of your diet, eating lots of vegetables and drinking at least 64 ounces of water. You will have a good flush daily. After just 2 days, I'm already noticing an improvement in my energy level. The water reduction and cleanse are also working. I'm definitely not bloated anymore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.